future of mobility is completely digital. And if we don't move towards digital documents, then we're going to be lost. And the only way you can progress and have efficiency, have greater security, is by going digital. And if you think for a transport company, they have to keep the paper as well. So it's additional costs, additional bureaucracy, and yet all this paper can fit on this.
Having a more efficient, paperless logistics is for us one of the key priorities. It is today helping get rid of a lot of paperwork and a lot of impediments to trade and to transport.
We're already talking today about autonomous vehicles that will have no driver, and yet we're still talking about paper. How can you have an autonomous vehicle when we still use a paper-based system? In the very near future, everything about transport will be autonomous, it will be digital.
Government should make e-CMR priority because by digitalizing the documents, we can collect a lot of data. Based on this, government can introduce more relevant policies.
e-CMR is an electronic document to know in advance what is in a truck, when the truck will move, what road it will follow, improving environmental impacts and safety and security.
By understanding who is transporting what from one location to another, we're also going to be better utilizing the usage of trucks, leading to direct benefits for the environment, for the economy, and for the road safety, for the road transport stakeholders, and for the society as a whole.
Digitalization of any step in the supply chain is welcomed by us. It saves a lot of hassle, it saves costs, it saves red tape.
Our company is aiming to do like 100,000 loads per year. We cannot deal with paper. So we focus a lot on having all those papers in digital form. So that we're working with e-CMRs in all the markets that we operate.
I think there are a lot of advantages and benefits for the user to digitalize these documents. Since road freight transport is often cross-border, the more member states that sign up, the better.
Οπωσδήποτε, οποιαδήποτε συνεργασία έχει μόνο θετικά αποτελέσματα. Πολύ περισσότερο όταν αφορά την μεταξέλιξη ενός απλού εγγράφου σε μια ηλεκτρονική εφαρμογή.
We already have one-stop shop with Albania on the border crossing, exchanging the information and providing the services of the user in much faster way with the newest technology and equipment.
Như là tiêu chuẩn, quy chuẩn về cái an toàn giao thông, và chính vì vậy là chúng tôi cho rằng là về cái việc ứng dụng công nghệ trong vấn đề mà an toàn trong bộ thì có một ý nghĩa hết sức rất lớn trong cái công cuộc kỹ thuật số hiện nay.
Το ελεκτικό CMR δίνει τη δυνατότητα στο μοναδικό ελεκτικό μηχανισμό που υπάρχει σήμερα, στις αστυνομικές αρχές δηλαδή, και μόνο να μπορέσει να διασταυρώσει τα στοιχεία του μεταφορέα, τον τρόπο προορισμού, τον τόπο προορισμού που έχει.
If you want security in the system, you need real-time information. To have real-time information, you need things to be digital. That's why we're very pleased that countries are now signing up to the e-CMR protocol. And we're working very, very closely with the United Nations, with customs authorities to make sure that we can get there even more quickly.